Hello programmers, welcome back to my another problem solving video, and in this video I will discuss about the second problem, which is even numbers. So let's start this. So in this problem it basically says, given a number n, print all even numbers between 1 to 1 and n inclusive in separate lines. So that means it gives me a number n, and I have to print all even numbers from 2 to these numbers. Okay, and inclusive means I have to include these numbers. That means less than or equal in the for loop. Okay, if there is no even numbers, print -1. This is the edge condition, so I have to uh, give a condition for this one. Print answer according to the required above. If there is no even numbers, print -1. Okay, let's get started. So here the input number is 10, so write 10 here and take the number from the user. Okay, input part is done. After that, check if n is less than 2, then print -1. Okay, or if this is not the case, then run a for loop from integer 2 to I is less or equal n, then I plus is equal to 2. Okay, after that print the number I and print a new line after it. Build the file. So here I get 2 4 6 8 10. So and this is the answer actually. If n is less than 2, that means no even numbers will be found. So in this case I have to print -1. Okay, so let's submit this. Alhamdulillah, accepted. So I end up this video here. See you in the next one. Okay, till then, tata, bye bye.